Hello guys, good morning. Today is early morning and I am preparing myself to dress because uh, we are attending a birthday party. So I will pick them up my friend in Scarborough Town Center because we met there, and my husband is the one to drive us into Oshawa. So I'm so excited because we are not uh, really meet each other every time. We only meet maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years, something like that. It's very big gap. So I'm so excited to meet them again. So I hope you're enjoying it to watching my a little chatty with her because I asked something not necessary, but it's a joke, but it is very good. Okay. Hello guys. Okay, we are attending a birthday party with new balik la sa Nieba here. Oh,
Ay, nagblagi. Ko ano po si Sunny day?
yeah, Dai Sani, hello Dai. So, how do you feel? Because this is your 4 days in Canada. Are you?
Like amazing.
Oh, really? So, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. The weather.
Oh,
the
that's
people.
wonderful. Oh, that's nice. So, see how pretty she is, okay? Yeah. So, we are. And also, this my very good friend here, si Lok. Hello,
Hi,
Dai.
Day.
So, because
Thank you for coming here in Oshawa.
we are so now, so how many years you are here in Canada, Dai?
18 years, Day.
So, how do you feel? Because you are already 18 years, like, do you have another improvement for your happiness here?
Yeah, there is an improvement, Day, compared when I was in the Philippines. It's
Yeah.
very big difference, and especially that my children are growing and they have their own job. They make their own money.
Wow, that's
And
nice.
yeah,
So,
it's very. I'm so comfortable
oh, that's very good.
compared to my life there in the
So,
Philippines.
so now, so now we have to go back here in your sister's house. So, why we are here?
Just to attend my brother-in-law's birthday, turning 84 years old, Dennis.
Oh yeah,
Okay, maglisod mo.
yeah. So, uh, yeah. So because when we reach here, you are eating. What are you eating today?
Fish and rice because I'm so hungry.
But I told you don't eat rice. You eat only bread.
But I prefer rice then.
So guys, that's the problem here. Even if we are here in Canada, the rice is rice. You know, she cannot. She don't be alive if no rice. So she need to eat rice. So now you are full.
Yeah, I'm full.
So, but after maybe 3 hours, you need to eat again.
No, but no rice anymore. That's it. So I will eat vegetables and some proteins.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, so guys, this is our very big moments, okay? So this is only like for fun. So, and thank you. See you next time.
Wow. Mayo na kayo.
And hello guys, I'm showing the food that we are eating for the party. We have daing na bangos. That's like, we call that white fish here. And they have a palabok. They have a chicken wings. They have lumpia, Shanghai, and adobo chicken, fried rice, and lots here. But I didn't take a picture properly. That's why I cannot see. Oh, I think this is ginataang string beans. You know, the long string beans. And yeah, and they have the palabok here on the other side, but this one is noodles. You know that noodles, we have a term for that for long life, right? Yeah, and I think that's it. But they have more here,
Oh my gosh, it's so...
and now we are in the next video here at the end. I miss like this kind of okay, hello guys.
Places.
I was here in the back of the building where I was.
So
I was
nice.
in the dentist.
Very
Oh my
nice.
gosh!
Like, I feel like I
cannot
am
imagine.
in,
I'm so very exciting.
somewhere.
I
It's
feel
so
like I'm
cool
back
and
home.
good.
It's so nice.
See?
It's so
See?
amazing.
It's so nice.
Really,
And
I
they have
miss
nice
back home because I
grass. Look
feel
at the nice grass.
to do something like planting everything. You know,
That
in the farm.
that's a grass. Okay,
Yeah,
it's very
look at that one.
nice.
I know it's
very
a grass.
nice.
I am very
Very
excited.
nice. Very,
That's how
very,
I am
very
only
nice.
try to showing you how I feel that I miss back home.
It's so
When you
cute.
see that kind of this, that lots of nice green grass, every year, no winter, nothing, just summer every day. Okay, summer every day.
Yeah.
That's why I really miss it. That's why
I need a
showing
like a
that
nice
they have also a
music.
nice grass here and nice trees. He's so excited.
And they
Yeah.
have a big
I'm
tree.
very, very,
Look at the
very
big
excited.
tree.
How I wish.
No, the big tree.
When I
Yes, not the big
to
tree.
travel again.
Big tree.
And look at this, a beautiful garden here. It's beautiful. Look, beautiful. Right, it's so beautiful. Look, very nice. Look at the herbs. Look. It's too plenty. It's so beautiful. Yes, guys, this is the end, and I hope you're enjoying it. I mix it everything my video because a little bit longer, but really it's so nice. Okay, and have fun, and thank you for watching.